The current state of the Duolingo logo appears tired or outdated, which is actually part of an April Fool's joke. This is a recurring practice for the Duolingo app, where they frequently change their icons to coincide with events like Halloween or April Fool's Day. It's important to note that these changes are not related to user progress or any potential account deletion, they are purely for entertainment purposes. While some users enjoy this playful marketing approach, others find it confusing or even frustrating. If you prefer to return to the original logo sooner rather than later, there are a couple of options available. Firstly, you can simply wait for a few weeks until the logo reverts to its usual appearance, or it may even return to normal within a week. Ensure that your Duolingo app is up to date by enabling automatic updates or manually updating to the latest version. Alternatively, if you're eager to restore the original icon immediately, you can replace it manually. This process can be a bit complex but achievable. You can use the Shortcuts app to create an action that opens the Duolingo app with its standard icon. Additionally, some third-party apps offer theme packs where you can customize the Duolingo icon to your liking and use it instead of the temporary one. Once you've set up the preferred icon, you can remove the temporary one from your home screen and solely use the standard Duolingo app icon.